In this video, you'll learn how to link tasks in Microsoft Project so that your schedule is organized and your dependencies are clear. Linking tasks is one of the most important things you can do to make your project plan realistic because it tells the software which tasks depend on others and in what order work should happen. Before we start, make sure you already have a project open in Microsoft Project with at least 2 tasks entered in the table. You should see your task list on the left and usually a Gantt chart on the right. If you don't have tasks yet, quickly add a couple of sample ones so you can follow along. Now, look toward the top of your screen for the main ribbon. This is the horizontal bar that contains all your tabs like File, Task, Resource, and so on. For what we're doing here, you'll want to be on the Task tab. This tab contains the main tools you'll use to work with your tasks, including options for inserting, deleting, and linking them. Go ahead and click on the Task tab to make sure it's active. When it's selected, you should see groups of commands such as Tasks, Schedule, and Properties. These groups may look slightly different depending on your version of Microsoft Project, but the button we need is always found here. Next, in your task list, select the tasks you want to link together. The most common scenario is that you want one task to happen after another. To do that, click the first task, then hold down the Shift key and click the second task. This selects both tasks in order. You can use this same method to select a whole chain of tasks if you want to link several in sequence. With your tasks selected, keep your eyes on the Task tab in the ribbon. In the Schedule group, you'll see a button labeled Link Tasks. It usually shows an icon of small chain links or arrows connecting bars. This is the button that tells Microsoft Project to create a dependency between the tasks you've selected. Click the Link Tasks button. As soon as you do this, Microsoft Project creates a link, typically a finish to start relationship, which means the first task must finish before the next one can start. You'll notice that in the Gantt chart, an arrow now connects the bars of the tasks you linked. In the table view, you'll also see that the predecessors column for the second task now contains the task ID of the first one. If you linked more than 2 tasks, Microsoft Project will create a chain, linking each one to the next in order. This is a quick way to build out a logical sequence of activities without manually setting each dependency. If you ever make a mistake or link the wrong tasks, don't worry. You can simply select the linked tasks again and click the Unlink Tasks button, which is usually right next to the Link Tasks button on the ribbon. That removes the dependency so you can relink them correctly. So, to recap in a simple way, go to the Task tab on the top ribbon, select the tasks you want to connect, and then click the Link Tasks button. That's all you need to start building clear, realistic task relationships in Microsoft.